Number 1. 1983 Harley-Davidson FL-HTC, $5,000. Raymond. The 1983 Harley-Davidson FL-HTC represents the classic touring spirit of the shovelhead era, combining V-twin character with long-distance comfort. Early FL-HTC models remain popular among Harley enthusiasts thanks to their timeless styling, strong road presence, and excellent potential for enjoyable cruising. This example has been extensively refreshed while retaining the authentic personality that makes vintage Harley touring motorcycles so desirable. According to the seller, the motorcycle features a rebuilt top end, refreshed S&S carburetor, upgraded oil pump, clutch, charging components, and several additional improvements. It also includes a tour pack, saddleman's seat with backrest, and Bluetooth audio system. For riders searching for a classic Harley tourer that has already received significant mechanical attention, this FL-HTC presents a very appealing opportunity. Number 2. 1968 Greaves 250 Challenger 24 MX6, $2,750, Dover, New Hampshire. The 1968 Greaves 250 Challenger 24 MX6 is a rare British off-road motorcycle that holds a unique place in vintage motocross history. Produced in limited numbers, Greaves motorcycles earned a reputation for lightweight performance and innovative engineering, making surviving examples especially attractive to collectors today. This Challenger retains many original components that help preserve its historical appeal. The seller notes that the motorcycle last ran and shifted properly before being stored and includes its original fiberglass fuel tank, airbox, and bodywork, along with additional spare parts. A McCuney carburetor and Hagon shocks have also been fitted to the bike. For enthusiasts looking for a scarce British vintage motorcycle with restoration potential, this Greaves offers a distinctive project. Number 3. Honda CB400F, $5,200, Brockton, Massachusetts. The Honda CB400F remains one of the most admired small displacement motorcycles of the 1970s, celebrated for its lightweight handling, smooth four-cylinder engine, and iconic cafe-inspired styling. As one of Honda's most collectible middleweight classics, the CB400F continues to attract riders who appreciate both performance and timeless design. This example benefits from careful maintenance while preserving much of its original character. The seller reports rebuilt suspension and brake components, new tires, chain, bearings, and refreshed carburetors, while the original engine has been properly tuned rather than rebuilt. The sale also includes the original airbox with an additional OEM fuel tank available separately. For buyers seeking a well-maintained classic Honda with lasting collector appeal, this CB400F stands out as an excellent choice. Number 4. 1969 Triumph Trophy 650, $8,200, Exeter, New Hampshire. The 1969 Triumph Trophy 650 is a legendary British twin known for its dependable performance, classic styling, and strong presence in vintage motorcycling history. Trophy models have remained highly respected for decades thanks to their balanced handling and impressive versatility, making them favorites among collectors and longtime Triumph enthusiasts. This example has been extensively upgraded while maintaining its unmistakable vintage character. According to the seller, the motorcycle features numerous performance and reliability improvements, including electronic ignition, upgraded suspension, 5-speed gearbox conversion, strengthened engine components, and detailed service records. The engine has approximately 12,000 miles since its overhaul, and the bike comes with a clean title. For riders wanting a thoughtfully developed classic British motorcycle, this trophy offers an impressive package. Number 5. 1977 Kawasaki KZ400, $3,250, Harpswell, Maine. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ400 became a popular choice for riders seeking a lightweight and dependable twin-cylinder motorcycle with everyday versatility. Its simple design, responsive handling, and durable engine have helped the KZ400 remain a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This customized example blends classic styling with several practical modern upgrades. The seller states that the motorcycle has been well maintained and fitted with upgraded carburetors, LED lighting, new tires, fresh battery, updated controls, and various convenience accessories, while many original parts are also included. With no known mechanical issues reported, it is described as ready to enjoy. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage Kawasaki with tasteful updates, this KZ400 offers a fun and distinctive ride. Number 6. 1979 Moto Guzzi Le Mans CX100, $6,800, Portsmouth, New Hampshire. The 1979 Moto Guzzi Le Mans CX100 is an iconic Italian sport motorcycle admired for its distinctive V-twin engine, shaft drive design, and unmistakable styling. Le Mans models have earned a loyal following among collectors thanks to their blend of performance, engineering, and classic European character. With exceptionally low mileage, this example remains especially appealing for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller reports that the motorcycle has been freshly serviced with new fluids, battery, filters, and tires, making it ready for the riding season. With a clean title and just over 6,500 miles showing, it offers an excellent combination of originality and usability. For buyers searching for a well-kept classic Italian motorcycle, this Moto Guzzi is a standout choice. Number 7. 1981 Suzuki GS550, $2,950, Hampton Falls, New Hampshire. The 1981 Suzuki GS550 is a well-balanced Japanese classic known for its smooth inline-4 engine, reliable performance, and comfortable everyday riding manners. GS series motorcycles became popular for combining sporty handling with dependable engineering, helping them remain favorites among vintage Japanese bike enthusiasts. This low-mileage example has been carefully maintained throughout its life. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides great while remaining largely original except for the handlebars. Recent maintenance includes rebuilt and tuned carburetors along with a new battery, and the sale includes the original handlebars, owner's manual, windshield, 2 keys, and a new set of tires. For riders wanting an affordable classic Suzuki that's ready to enjoy, this GS550 presents an excellent opportunity.
Number 8. 1975 BMW R90/6, $7,500, Ipswich, Massachusetts. The 1975 BMW R90/6 helped establish BMW's reputation for producing refined touring motorcycles with outstanding durability and smooth boxer twin performance. These air-cooled classics remain highly respected for their comfortable ride, dependable engineering, and timeless styling. This example has received extensive mechanical attention while benefiting from several desirable R90S-inspired upgrades. The seller states that the engine, transmission, and final drive were rebuilt approximately 8,000 miles ago, with additional improvements including higher compression pistons, dual-disc brakes, fresh ignition components, and recent carburetor service. A Corbin seat is also included, and the bike is described as needing nothing mechanically. For enthusiasts seeking a well-sorted vintage BMW airhead, this R90/6 offers an impressive package.
Number 9. 1976 Harley-Davidson XLCH Liberty Edition Sportster, $9,000, Holyoke, Massachusetts. The 1976 Harley-Davidson XLCH Liberty Edition Sportster celebrates America's bicentennial with one of the most recognizable special editions of the Ironhead era. Highly regarded by Harley collectors, the Liberty Edition combines classic styling with the raw riding character that has made vintage Sportsters so enduringly popular. Original examples continue to attract strong interest among enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle remains with its original owner, retains its original paint, and is approximately 95% stock. The kickstart-only engine reportedly runs strong, and the bike comes with a clean title. For collectors looking for a largely original Harley with historical significance, this Liberty Edition Sportster is a particularly desirable find.
Number 10. 1981 Honda CX500, $900. Warren, Rhode Island. The 1981 Honda CX500 became famous for its innovative liquid-cooled V-twin engine, shaft drive system, and reputation for exceptional reliability. Originally favored by commuters and long-distance riders, the CX500 has also become increasingly popular among vintage enthusiasts and custom builders. Its unique engineering continues to set it apart from other motorcycles of its era. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs perfectly and remains completely stock, with only minor cosmetic wear, including light chrome rust and a small tank dent. It is currently registered, fully functional, and has been used for both daily riding and touring over the years. For buyers seeking an affordable and dependable vintage Honda, this CX500 offers outstanding value.